In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new email account and connect it to Apollo.io. This guide is designed to walk you through each step, ensuring that you're set up smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Apollo homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to app.apollo.io. Once there, it's time to focus on the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the drop-down menu labeled Admin Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have control over your account's main features. After entering the admin settings, you'll want to proceed by selecting All Settings. This section allows you to access a variety of configurations, but today our target is setting up your mailbox. As you scroll through the options, locate and click on Mailboxes. It's a central hub for managing and linking your email accounts with Apollo.io. Once you're inside the Mailboxes section, the next step is to link Mailbox. With Apollo, you have the flexibility to connect using either Google or Outlook, and the best part is both options are available for free. Choose the email provider that you prefer by selecting either Google or Outlook. This decision depends entirely on the tools you're most comfortable with or what you've been using regularly. With that chosen, you will need to agree to Apollo's terms of service and privacy policy. It's crucial to understand and acknowledge that Apollo is not designed for spamming or any form of harassing emails. So ensure you tick the box that confirms your agreement to adhere to these standards. Following this agreement, press Link Mailbox to proceed. At this juncture, you may be prompted to sign in with your email account credentials. For those using Google, enter the account details for the email you wish to connect. Once you've input your email, advance by clicking Next. From here, it's time to enter your password for added security. After entering your password, you'll want to click Next to continue. This will take you through a few more security prompts, each designed to ensure that it's indeed you who is trying to set up this connection. When prompted, click Continue to advance past the permissions. You might be required to give Apollo permission to access your email account. To do this effectively, you'll see an option to select all permissions for a seamless experience, then click Continue again. And there you have it. Your email account should now be successfully linked to Apollo.io, opening up a realm of possibilities for your email communication and business needs. This process is straightforward, but taking the time to ensure you follow each step will guarantee that everything is set up correctly right from the start. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.